Hello friends, today I'll be showing how to make your lips pink and softer. It's natural way and easy to do, so let's get started. First of all, we will need a little bit of water and toothbrush. Dip toothbrush in water and slowly scrub your lips as shown. You can also do this scrubbing process when you are brushing your teeth. Scrub your lips gently. As you can see, dead skins are coming off of your lips. This helps to make your lips softer as well as remove your dead skin. After scrubbing, wipe out those dead skin from your lips. For next process, take a slice of lemon and sugar. Dip lemon slice in sugar and apply on your lips as a scrub. Massage lemon and sugar on your lips gently as shown. Sugar works as a scrub and remove dead skin. Lemon helps to decrease the pigmentation on your lips and make it pinky and softer. Remove scrub from your lips as well as dead skin come off easily. Now wash excess with water. Now, most important for your lips is to be hydrated. So apply any lip balm, Vaseline on your lips. It will moisturize your lips as well as it will not let your lips dry. Like this, your lips will be even toned as well as healthy. It's very effective, so do try and let me know. If you like this video, do like, share, comment and subscribe to this YouTube channel.